Hello friends, welcome to my channel Civil Engineering Notes, Changing the Way of Learning। स्वागत है आप सबका। अब हम बात करने जा रहे हैं सिविल इंजीनियरिंग सब्जेक्ट इरिगेशन इंजीनियरिंग का पार्ट 2 लेके। In this video, I will discuss the second part of irrigation engineering. At first, command area. Command area are two types: gross commanded area, culturable commanded area. Method of distribution of irrigation water. इरिगेशन वाटर डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन का तरीका। The following are the various methods of distribution of irrigation water. Number 1, free flooding irrigation, check flooding irrigation, border flooding irrigation, furrow irrigation, sprinkler irrigation. Conjunctive use of water. The conjunctive use of water by a crop is defined as the depth of water consumed by evaporation and transpiration during crop growth, including water consumed by accompanying weeds growth. The value of conjunctive use of water varies from crops to crop, time to time, and even from place to place. Hydrology. Hydrology क्या है? What is hydrology? The science which deals with the occurrence, distribution and circulation of water is called hydrology. The study of hydrology is useful for following. यहाँ पे क्या बोल रहे हैं? The science which deals with the occurrence, distributions and circulation of water is called hydrology. Hydrological cycle. Next, hydrograph and hydrograph. Hydrograph and hydrograph. Precipitation. What is precipitation? Precipitation क्या है? The water vapor goes on collecting in the atmosphere up to certain limit. When this limit exceeds, the water vapor gets condensed and thereby cloud is formed. Ultimately, droplets are formed and returned to earth in the form of rain, snowfall, etc. This is known as precipitation. Depending upon the various atmospheric conditions, the precipitation may be of following types: cyclonic precipitation, convective precipitation, orographic precipitation, etc. यहाँ पे एक important question, the amount of precipitation is generally measured by flood type rain gauge. Runoff and catchment. The amount of water which flows over the surface of the earth after all the losses have taken place is called runoff. Very, very important. And a tract of land which contribute the above runoff into a stream or reservoirs is called catchment, and its area is known as catchment area. यहाँ पे runoff and catchment very, very important. Estimation of maximum flood discharge. The following empirical formula may be adopted to compute the maximum flood discharge. Maximum flood discharge कैलकुलेट करने के लिए कुछ फॉर्मूला है. चलिए फॉर्मूला देखता हूँ. नंबर 1 डिकेन्स फॉर्मूला. नंबर 2 रेविज फॉर्मूला. नंबर 3 इंग्लिश फॉर्मूला. नंबर 4 नवाब जंग बहादुर फार्मूला. फैनिंग्स फार्मूला. फ्यूलर्स फार्मूला. इरिगेशन कैनल्स. Canal alignment, layout of canal system, terms relating to canal section, terms relating to canal section, berm. Number 1 berm. Number 2 freeboard. Number 3 service road or inspection road. Number 4 doyle or dowla. Number 5 spoil bank, borrows pit, balancing depth. Canal lining. यहाँ पे एक वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट थ्योरी, केनेडीज शील्ड थ्योरी. R.G. Kennedy, who was an executive Engineer in Irrigation Department of Punjab. Lassie's theory. Lassie, a civil engineer of UP. Lassie, a civil engineer of UP Irrigation Department, carried out extensive investigation of canal in alluviums. Lassie's shield factor is given by F equal to 5 V square by 2R. V means V equal to mean regime velocity. R hydraulic mean depth. Water logging. Canal regulatory works. Regulators. Escapes. Canal falls. Canal head works. Weir or barrage. A solid construction put across the river to raise its water level and to divert the water into the canal is known as weir. A weir or barrage may fail due to rupture of floor due to unlift, rupture of floor due to suction caused by standing wave, scour on the upstream and downstream of weir. Billig's creep theory. Khosla's theory. River training works. Type of river training works. Marginal embankment, guide bank, groinage, cross drainage works. So this is much for today. अगर आप हमारा चैनल पे नया है तो चैनल को ज़रूर सब्सक्राइब कीजिए। थैंक यू।